Today is Friday, May 9th, and today I learned that the job's not finished kind of thing, right? It's like that famous Kobe moment, right? Job's not finished. And today I learned that you just need to remind yourself of that, because most of the time your job is not finished in many things, right? And there are two kind of instances where I learned this today that I wanted to talk about. The first one is I had a softball game today, and it was too close. Like, we should have won the game by more, and we did win the game, thankfully, but like, it felt like the job was finished before it was finished, and I had to remind myself, like, the job's not finished. Like, you have to still be locked in until the very end, right? This is also something that I have been learning over the past few days, because I had tryouts, and I was just trying to stay locked in until the very end, until it was actually over, right? Even though it may seem either you have won everything, or maybe it seems like you've lost everything, but either way, you need to finish it. You need to finish the job, right? Don't give up until it's actually done, right? And then the second instance where I kind of learned this today was like my school. Like, I'm homeschooled, thankfully, but basically that means that when I finish my school for this year, it's all depends on me, right? And for a lot of people, your school has not been, like, if your student school hasn't finished yet, like summer break hasn't started yet, and like, I just need to remind myself, job's not finished with my school. Like, I still need to log in, I still need to be productive, I still need to get this school done as soon as possible, so I could just have a great summer, like, with peace, knowing that I don't have school to do, right? So yeah, even though this is a really short video, I just need to remind myself, like, the job is not finished. You need to stay locked in until the very end, with your school, with your sports, with your whatever. I'm sure there's something that you can apply this to. Just think, what thing have you been slacking at lately, even though the job's not finished yet? And just get back into that mindset of locking in until it is complete. Stop slacking and finish the job. That's just a small thing that I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.